Today, we are learning the Dead Dance by Lady Gaga. Now, I'm gonna break this up into 4 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it, okay? But before we go into the first section, I wanna say thank you to these people for sending me a super thanks. Any amount of support helps me keep making these videos, so thank you guys. All right, let's get into the first section, nice and slow. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have our index fingers like this, and I'm gonna start with my knees going down on the and count. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm gonna go to this position here. Okay, that's your prep. Now, I'm just gonna take my legs, they're gonna extend, but I'm gonna extend my left hand out and my right hand out like this. Good, then I come back to that position, and now I switch it, left hand out, right hand comes out. All right, so that's gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. And you want to try to make that as straight as possible, okay? From here, you're gonna take your hands, they're gonna break at the wrist, 3, almost feels like thing hands, like from Wednesday, and then you're gonna go down to your shoulder, 4. Okay, and the hand is gonna rest right here onto your arm. All right, let's do it one more time. We start from the top slow, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, break, 3, land, 4. Good. Now when you land on the 4, you slightly bend those knees again. All right, watch it one more time. We said 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's the bend. 1, bend, 2, break, 3, and 4. Break down into that 4. From here now, I'm going to take my hand to crawl, 5, 6. So I'm going to like my wrist area here, and I'm bringing my head through. So from this 4, I'm crawling, 5, 6. All right, and then from here, you're going to cut your hand right here, 7. All right, once again from here, 6, slice, 7. Right hand slice, left hand to your side. Okay, from here you're just gonna hop, and 8. Okay, 7, 8, and. It's gonna be 8 and, all right? Let's go from the top nice and slow. This is section 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, break, 3, down, 4, crawl, 5, 6, slice, 7, 8, and. Good. All right. And that's the end of section 1. All right. Let's go to section number 2. Section number 2, this right hand finishes. So we said hop and we're going to just take our hand. It's going to drop down to our right leg and we're going to do like this pendulum. So it's going to look like this. Rock, rock. All right. It almost has like this Thriller feel to it. Yeah, if you know Michael Jackson. So I'm taking that hand, it's dropping. I'm going to land on that. So it kind of has like a prep down. Boom, boom, ha. Okay, so it's gonna land on the 1. So we said 8 and I'm gonna have a little prep. 1, 2, and then from here, when this 2 is coming back in, for the 3, keeping the hands tucked on my side, I'm gonna rock my knees, 3 and 4. Now I noticed Lady Gaga does rock, rock, center, but I noticed the dancers go rock, 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 and they keep that rock off center a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna follow Lady Gaga a little bit more here. We're gonna go rock, rock, center. Okay, one more time. So we said 8 and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, from here, you're gonna break your hands up on 5. 5, at the same time you're looking up on that. This is gonna be your 5. Okay, one more time. So we finish from here, 7, 8, and we land 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5. You see how that 5 comes in? 3 and 4. 5. Good. From here, you're halfway done section 2. We're gonna go twist. Look at my frame here. I'm looking down into like my elbow. Take that same shape. Look how this leg is popped here, this right leg. I'm gonna switch it. Boom, switch the shape. Okay. Then my hands are gonna go out and then to my head. Stop there, all right? So one more time, we said from here, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, this is going to be 6 and 7 and. From here, I'm going to turn the legs to go 8, then the hands are going to go, and from here, 1. Like you're putting a dagger into your hip, 1. Okay, one more time, just that. So this is from the 5, we said 6 and 7 and, knees 8, hands and 1. Okay, one more time. 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. And that's the end of section 2, okay? Let's review section 1 into section 2 super slow. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, break 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Yes? Okay, let's do that one more time a little bit faster, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, break 3, down 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1. Yes? There it is. So remember, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Okay? That's going to be your timing there. Let's go to section 3. From here now, after you stab on that 1, you're stepping down on the 2. So you're going to walk 2, 3, 4. Just going towards me. Okay? So we walk from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, the hands are going to go out and your head's going to swing. So after I finish 4, I'm going to swing at the same time here. 5, 6. And the head kind of tucks to this left shoulder here. Okay, one more time. From the 1, we step 2, 3, 4, swing, 5, 6. Then from here, Lady Gaga does like a swing. She goes 7 and 8. And it looks like the head stays here. 7 and 8, and then meets it at the end. Watch that one more time. We land here on the 6 with our head. We said 5, 6, swing, 7, leave the head, and then 8. Nice. Okay? And guess what? That's the end of section 3. All right? So let's do that one more time. We said from here, from the 1, step 2, 3, 4, head, 5, 6, swing, 7, and 8. Let's connect everything super slow from section 1. Here we go. Section 1, we'll pause. Section 2, pause. Section 3. 5, 6, 7, slow. And 1, and 2. Break 3, down 4, crawl 5, 6, slice 7, 8, and. Good. From here, section 2, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1. Nice. Section 3, we step 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah? All right, let's finish it off with section 4 now. 7 and 8 from here. You're taking that right hand. Lady Gaga uses her right hand and hops back. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that right hand slices just like before and you hop back 3 times. So we go from here, 8, you're going 1, 2, 3, and then Lady Gaga goes down on the 4 like this. 4. Yes? But I noticed some of the dancers, when they go down on the 4, they go down like this. 4. Yes? But we're going to copy Lady Gaga. So we said, hop from here, the 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Stand up 5. Okay? One more time. We said from the 8, we hop back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then from here, you're going to have your hands to go up, and 6, and 7. And then on the 8 is when you do like a, because it's a dead dance, okay? So you have to die at the end, all right? So one more time. That's going to be the ending of the dance, by the way. That's the end of section 4, but let's review it one more time. We said from the 8, hop back, 1, 2, 3, open up, 4, come together, 5, the hand comes, and 6, and 7, and then we finish it off, 8. Now I see some of the dancers, they go 8, or they just have a face like, or they fall to the ground. Whatever you want. You could be as dramatic as you want, all right? So let's put everything together from the very top, nice and slow, and then straight through, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2. Break. 3, down, 4, crawl, 5, 6, cut, 7, 8, and section 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Section 3. 2, 3, 4, swing, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, cut, 8. Yes? All right, let's go straight through from the top without stopping. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yeah? Alright, now it's time for you to try with the music. Just click right over here, or learn another dance and click right over here. Thank you guys for being here, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Peace!